When you get your Fuse 1 and you open the door, the first thing you're going to touch is a printed part on Fuse. My name is Seth Berg. I am the engineering program manager on the Fuse 1. That means that I make sure our team of 40-some engineers are working on the right problems at the right time. We are so confident that these parts work in our application that every single Fuse 1 we ship has parts that are printed on the Fuse 1. The IR sensor purge, the IR handle, door handle, and the interlock magnet cover. One of the challenges of SLS printing is tight temperature control. So we have an infrared sensor at the top of the printer to measure the powder bed. That sensor needs to stay very clean. To do that, we designed a custom air purge system, and we designed those parts on the Fuse 1. We needed a 3D printing technology that didn't constrain us in geometry or put support tips onto surfaces where we wanted smooth airflow. So SLS was really the only 3D printing option that was going to accomplish that for us. The one word that I would use to describe Nylon 12 is versatile. There are lots of different types of end-use parts, but almost all of them need to be tough. They need to be resistant to temperature, wear, impacts, and nylon is a material that's really in the sweet spot of all of those different material properties. The Fuse 1 is a great solution for small to medium batch size manufacturing. Designing a part for injection molding, it's a really involved process. The part needs to be designed with very specific constraints. You need to work with a manufacturer to make the tool, and then there's many steps of producing sample parts, testing the sample parts, modifying the tool, and then if you want to change the part, it's expensive and sometimes not possible. That process takes a long time, and we avoided the entire process by prototyping and producing our parts on the Fuse 1. We never had to tool anything, and even today, when we're in mass production, any change that we want to make, we can just send a new file to the manufacturing line, and that change can hit the line immediately. With more traditional tooling methods, that would have taken months to implement. We tested these parts very rigorously, so we have nearly 50 printers at headquarters that we're running non-stop, and every single one of those machines has these printed parts on them. So we've tested these in a real printing application for thousands and thousands of hours.